SoftWave Tissue Regeneration Technologies represent a groundbreaking leap in regenerative medical treatments that helps the body's own regenerative and anti-inflammatory mechanisms without injections, surgery, or drugs. This innovative approach has been recognized both nationally and internationally for its effectiveness, supported by clinical trials and FDA approval, which demonstrates remarkable results across a multitude of studies. But at its core, SoftWave or TRT targets the injury site on a molecular level, activating the body's natural healing process. The system uses advanced shockwave technology, incorporating an electrohydraulic spark gap mechanism with a specialized parabolic reflector to produce a broad-reaching supersonic acoustic wave. This method ensures extensive area coverage, greatly improving the recovery process. The benefits of SoftWave therapy are comprehensive and include a multitude of things: improved circulation and blood flow, reduced inflammation, and the stimulation and recruitment of endogenous stem cells, which creates or helps with enhanced tissue repair. It also helps with regeneration and revitalization, but the main thing, relief from both a chronic and acute pain. But it's also not just the device, it's also the person who's administering the device. We've done extensive trainings. We do a multitude of protocols, advanced protocols, reflexology, and amplification protocols as well. So if you're curious of how we can help you, reach out to us. And once again, I'm Dr. Omar Clark at Experience Health and Wellness Center, where we want to keep you anchored in your health.